This week we're in Butte, Montana. We go underground to the 100-foot level of a mine and live to tell about it. We're Kristen, Jameson, and Maddie. We've been living in our motorhome while both working full-time for over 2 years. This season is all about building community on the road and sharing more behind the scenes of our RV life along the way.
So cool.
Low overhead. This is cool.
You want to lay down and cool down?
Oh yeah, it should be nice and cool.
Lay down. Lay down.
The Berkeley Pit entrance tunnel. Coming, Jameson.
It's probably echoey.
But good, clear audio though.
We see a little light down at the end of this tunnel. It's probably about 100 yards. And then you can see the pit down below. So let's go see what's out there.
Yeah.
Hello and welcome to the Berkeley Pit viewing stand. Mining began in Butte in 1864, and by the turn of the century, the copper produced from this hill, called the richest hill on earth, not only electrified America, but also financed the Industrial Revolution. By the 1950s, millions of pounds of ore had been extracted from the Butte Hill. By then, however, the Anaconda Company determined that conventional mining techniques were no longer a cost-effective way of extracting ore.
So what'd you think of this compared to the Bisbee Lavender Pit?
Well, we didn't take like an official tour or go to a viewpoint in Bisbee, but the difference is definitely the water. This one is getting to like a critical point full of water, and obviously the water has a lot of contaminants and heavy metals in it that they don't want to unleash into the community, so they're working on treating the water. In the meantime, it is really pretty, though it's quite sad. We could see pictures of whole neighborhoods that just got buried in order to make space for the pit.
So tomorrow we're going to go see another mine here in the Butte, Montana area, and we're going to actually get to go 100 feet underground, which is Kristen's favorite thing to do. But we've been in mining towns for quite a while, so I think it's time to learn some history of the mines, which is really cool.
When we were in Bisbee, all the tours were closed because of COVID. So this is the chance.
Yep.
We are at Mountain View Coffee in Butte, Montana, and just getting a little midday snack, and they asked if Maddie would like a treat, and I had no idea what I was saying yes to. Bear, this is for you. Do you want to have a special treat? You don't want the cookie? You don't want the cookie on there?
All right, here we are at the World
Museum of Mining.
It's cool. They have an old ghost town here. I can't tell if it's a tourist trap or if it's real. It seems pretty real. If it's a tourist trap, well done.
Well done.
We're gonna go down about 100 feet into the ground to see an old mine here.
Yeah, and an exposed vein, one of the few in North America that's open to the public. And if you buy a ticket to tour the mine, entrance to this museum part is included. Yep. So 2 for 1.
Not a bad deal for what it was.
No,
it was
$20.
Yeah, $20 each. So fun.
Yeah, here we go. mannequins are a little creepy, but this would have been the St. James Hospital.
My knee's been bothering me. Do you think they'll be able to help out?
Take a look. I don't know if you're going to want help from them.
So we're getting ready to go down below ground. How do you feel about that?
It's my least favorite thing to get, this like feeling that I could get trapped.
But this mine's been here forever. I have all the confidence that there's nothing gonna go wrong. We're gonna be wearing hard hats.
They made us fill out an emergency contact slip and give us dog tags.
I mean, the dog tags aren't real, so it's... Emergency contact slip is, though. But this is gonna be fun. This place is so cool. There's so much stuff, history from mining and just the general Butte area. If you're around this area, I highly recommend coming here. Well
Yeah.
worth the $20.
Not sure how much we'll be able to film when we go down to the 100 level. Obviously it's going to be very dark. We are going to be wearing headlamps, so we're going to take the GoPros with us and try to film.
But there's going to be other people down there too,
Yeah.
so we'll see. But let's see if we can take you along with us.
I've got hard hats for you guys. Now,
I have a Luigi hat.
leave your light alone.
I don't feel like it.
Big one for what? Almost $250,000?
$500,000.
Nice to find an original set of Levi's and just put it up for auction. You want it in decent condition. But what about past that? Well, they would use larger compressors, even though this would be using.
Yay. I've been waiting for 2 sweaty hours.
Okay, you guys ready?
Yeah.
You guys can activate your lights. There's a black button on the right side. Please gently press it once or twice, and your light will illuminate right there. That COVID joke. We had to shut it down. No, but let's get Laro. Let's talk about bad air in a mine. There's a classic image of a miner carrying a canary down into the mine. Well, that's for methane in coal mines. But that's not excusing here. In fact, we can get even methane here. And the metal on the outside to keep sparks out, yeah. You would put nitroglycerin and dynamite and TNT in here.
Oh, wait, what are those? Come and tell us.
Rocks and monkey machines. Hold on, guys, we're gathering.
Okay. Yeah, you're gonna probably slip. Come on. Is that what the noodles are supposed to go? Careful.
They can almost get off one of the vegetarian.
All right, we just emerged from the mine, Jameson. This is up your alley. What do you think?
I thought it was awesome. We only went down to the 100-foot level, but it was amazing. The amount of decomposing granite was crazy. Like, we see it in Phoenix area all the time, but you don't really think that what it is down below, and that's what's above you.
Yeah. As soon as we came out, he said he was ready to go back.
It was fun.
So, yeah, it was cool, but it's definitely his thing more than mine. Although it was really tall, so I didn't feel like it was going to like crush me. Yeah.
If you're in the area, come see
check it out.
Yep.